Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best gear to make your outdoor adventures unforgettable. Today, we're talking about the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove, a top-tier piece of camping gear that you won't want to miss. If you're in search of a reliable stove that offers convenience and power for your outdoor cooking needs, this is definitely one to consider. Let's dive right in. The Coleman Triton stove is compact, easy to use, and built to withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking. Its rugged alloy steel construction ensures that it will stand up to all your camping trips. Whether you're cooking up a feast at a campsite, tailgating before the big game, or just enjoying a picnic in the great outdoors. One of the standout features of this stove is its impressive 22,000 BTUs of cooking power. That means you can cook your meals quickly and efficiently, no matter the weather. Speaking of which, the stove comes equipped with 2 wind guards to help shield your burners from gusts of wind, so you can keep cooking even on blustery days. Another great feature is the easy-to-use, improved knobs for adjusting the heat. You can set both burners independently, allowing for precise temperature control and the ability to simmer or sear your food just the way you like it. The durable, chrome-plated grate is removable for easy cleaning, making it a hassle-free option when you're packing up after a long day of cooking outdoors. Portability is another huge win for the Triton stove. It's easy to transport thanks to its lightweight design and heavy-duty latch, which keeps the stove securely closed when not in use. It fits comfortably in your gear bag or car, and the sturdy handle makes it even easier to take along on your next adventure. And if you're worried about cooking time, don't be. The Triton stove has a burn time of up to 1 hour on high, powered by a 16 ounces propane cylinder, which is sold separately. It's efficient, reliable, and ready to go whenever you are. All in all, the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove is a must-have for any camping enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor cook or just starting out, this stove's performance, ease of use, and portability will make it a valuable addition to your gear collection. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best camping gear out there. Until next time, happy camping!